In today's video, we are going to perform the multiplication of this equation. We have a monomial by a trinomial. Recall three things: multiplication of signs, coefficients, and variables. So let's get started. First term, multiplication of this term by the first term of the trinomial. Plus by plus, plus. 3 by 1, 3. X by x squared, x cubic. Y squared plus by minus in the second multiplication, plus by minus, minus 3 by 2, 6, x, y squared by y, y cubic. Third multiplication, plus by plus, plus 3 by 4, 12, x, y squared, y squared. This is the result. For this video, we have used the rule of signs, the law of exponentials, and the distributive property. If you learned something, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.